try it all on because it's wild. This has to be the first piece. I need nipple covers before we do anything. OMG. Well, you can hear me coming down the street. I turned into a disco ball. This is the New Year's holiday party. Love the 70s feel of these. This dress is so phenomenal. What do we have next? Okay, she's stretchy. Ooh, she's got a lot of bounce to her. Open in the back, and it literally goes. This across the bottom is the winner. This moves beautifully. There's buttons across the front, but that's the next one. This is a wow. My personal preference isn't to show off so much midsection, but she's fun. And then with an oversized shirt like that. Now this is how I would wear it. The things you can do with a white shirt. Ooh. Now this is a men's turtleneck. Well, hello. I love this. We're gonna try it on with a different skirt. Okay, I'm obsessed. This is so much fun. The magpie in me is screaming. Okay, next look. Now for this little piece. Is this a top or is this a skirt? There is a matching top. Okay, wow. Very wild. Big peekaboo moment here. It's a lot. It's a lot of fringe. But I'm going to style it with a shirt just so you can see a little bit more toned down. So we're going to have some fun with some accessories. These earrings are fabulous. Oh, aren't these amazing? The bag, phenomenal. Oh, I'm ready for a party. Next is this dress, and she's very sheer. We're gonna try her on with rhinestone embellished tights. The tights are super cool. What I really need is black high-waisted underwear. Very retro, late 70s, romantic. And with these tights underneath, you kind of see this echo of rhinestones. So next, I think this goes in the back, maybe? And that goes, oh, it's like that. This skirt is too big for me, so I'm holding it in the back. Now, next. Ooh, now she's a statement. So Cher wore, I think, a version of this in the campaign. Marching band moments, all detailed eyelet here and here. I look like I'm ready for the Nutcracker. In all seriousness, this is very Poco. Also, eyelet all the way down the back. I feel as close to Cher as I will ever feel. OMG. This is like, doing. There is a matching scarf. Is it me? No, not personally, but is it fun? 100%. Way more chilled out is the tracksuit. Very retro. That is everything. This collection is wild and super fun. Okay, that's it. Which is your favorite piece?